welcome to the screen. This is the Nifty 15-minute time frame spot price chart, and we have seen around this is the base in the morning, which was broken here at 10:45, and we have seen a great fall. And fall is almost like from this point to low is 125 points fall in Nifty index. So that's a great opportunity. If you miss this, then you can see here this is the base right now acting as an important area of resistance, and Nifty index is resisting at this level. A very good opportunity again to take a kind of bearish trade here, and right now trading around 14,071 72. So we will check update if any further momentum on downside. The view is not bullish here, and by the way, the view is bearish because of this resisting here, forming a bearish candle on 15-minute time frame. So we will wait for this candle to finish and we will check update later on. So let's have a look and check. This is not a good candle, not at least bullish candle because of this resistance. It is forming and resisting here. So we will wait for one more candle of 15-minute time frame, and we will wait for 1:30 p.m. to complete this candle, and we will check whether it's crossing this high here or forming any bullish candle on 15-minute time frame, or maybe forming some bearish candle, black candle here, or maybe broken out this low. Then we will have a look again for Nifty index, because right now it is resisting at the important area of resistance, which was earlier in the morning was acting as a very good support zone, and after that we have seen a great fall. So this is kind of a bounce back and forming a resistance here. So we will wait for one more candle, and we will check other updates later on. So let's have an update here, and our view gets wrong here because this resistance has been crossed successfully, and we were waiting to form any bearish candle or this low to broke, but it didn't happen, and the Nifty index moved simply straight away on upside. So view get negated, and we will not take on put side anymore, and we will check further if any update for call buying or maybe put buying, then I will update in this video. So there is one update here, and we analyze somewhere here, and our view goes wrong in 15-minute time frame. Let me complete the 15-minute time frame, and we were waiting to be at resisting here, but it was not happen, and market Nifty index moved higher and then back to this level again. So when it tests this level here, so converted to the smaller time frame, 5-minute time frame, it is looking like this and taking support exactly this moving average. So there was a good chance to buy in options or maybe in index future, and that is the reason we have traded here the call options, and it has made a good money here. So that's the way you can change your view as per the market, not as per our analysis, because we really wait for market move, then we take a trade. Okay. So predefined bias will not help you to take trades. So that is very important lessons to learn, and you can see here at resisting but not, it had break the resistance, go above previously resistance of day high, back to the moving average again, and then it has again went upside. So that was one update. Traded call options here, made small money, not a big money because there is not a big move, but at least it has given a good move. Okay. So that was one update for Nifty index, and we couldn't find any good opportunity in Bank Nifty. So not focused on Bank Nifty today. Let me give you simple glimpse here. 15-minute time frame. So it has went down fast, rapidly fast, then back to the same level previous day low, but many times resisting and consolidating here. So not a good sign here for any bearish signal. So totally sideways, so no area to enter in any of the option, especially after this sharp fall and again recovery. We were not focusing on downside, bearish side, but it is not giving any opportunity also on upside. So that is the reason not traded in Bank Nifty index or main options of Bank Nifty, but it has given a good chance in Nifty index here. See, this is a very good hammer at previously support broken resistance now. So again support here and very nice move in Nifty index. So that's it from my side for today's session. I hope you have learned something new. We will meet in another video for options like this, and do subscribe to my channel and wait for another video. Thank you so much.